Hi guys. Okay, so I want to make this video about the widebody AMG car that I bought, which is obviously not an original car. It's a replica. It's a pretty good replica, but you know, it's a replica. If not, I'd be a millionaire. So this is how it looks. And when I got the car, it always bugged me that when I looked here, looked at the skirt, it didn't align properly with the, I don't know what you call this, with that thing. And also later I noticed, I was thinking maybe that like the skirt is too short or something. What the hell is wrong? But then I noticed that, yes, you can see the wheel is not in the middle of the fender. So what the hell? What have they done? So my theory is that they put the wrong, they put the widebody kit on slightly offset, so that they could make this standard panel fit. Instead of modifying this one so the whole thing fits, they just put everything, you know, the wrong way. And because everything is pushed backwards, they also spaced out the rear fender, which is there, using a couple of, here you see, nuts to bring it out about 1 inch. Oh, and you can see how they fixed the widebody to the car. They just screwed it in. I'm going to show you the other side when I took it off. It's not pretty. Okay, so here I found the screws, ground them off, screwed them out, and you can see what they did. They basically just screwed it on and then used all the bondo they could find. Different layers, you can see there's like 5 millimeters at least of different layers of shit. They just built it up. They didn't even bother gluing it on. And so this is the inner fender. This is just unprepped steel that's now started to rust. So I probably have to take off everything and do it all over again to make it fit. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of mounting it here, I'm going to mount it here, so that the wheel can be in center again. Jesus Christ, these guys. And then probably the wheel arch will match up with the skirts. And the only thing I have to modify is the side panel to shorten that. I can fiberglass that. That shouldn't be too big of a problem. But oh my god. So that's what you get when you buy a car and you don't inspect properly at first.